If you're a developer looking for lightning-fast coding assistance and massive context handling, meet Grok Code Fast 1 XAI's powerhouse model designed specifically for coders. Grok Code Fast 1 is an advanced XAI model made for coding tasks, API integrations, and reasoning-based workflows. It supports 256,000 tokens context window, meaning it can handle huge projects, analyze large files, and still give meaningful results. Whether you're converting code, debugging, or building an AI-powered app, this model is your go-to. Let us discuss its key capabilities. Function calling. It can connect directly with external tools and APIs to automate actions, perfect for agents or app builders. Structured outputs. You can ask it to return clean JSON, YAML, or any structured data you want. Reasoning. It doesn't just answer, it thinks, providing better logic and explanations. One of the biggest questions is cost. Here's the breakdown. Input tokens, 20 cents per 1 million tokens. Cached tokens, 2 cents per 1 million tokens. Huge savings if you cache prompts. Output tokens, $1.50 per 1 million tokens. You only pay for what you use, and caching can make it even cheaper. Let us discuss its performance and limits. Request per minute, up to 480 tokens per minute, up to 2 million. That's blazing fast and scalable for serious projects. Unlike generic models, Grok Code Fast 1 is tuned for code-first workflows. It can refactor, explain, and even generate production-ready code across multiple languages. Open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions panel, search for Kilo Code by the Kilo Code team. Install the extension and reload VS Code if prompted. Kilo Code has partnered with XAI, allowing you to use the Grok Code Fast 1 model for free. To use this model, after installing Kilo Code, go to its settings, set the API provider to Kilo Code, select the model as XAI/Grok Code Fast 1. For developers working with multiple languages, this is a lifesaver. I just give the prompt, convert the following Python function into optimized TypeScript with types and explain the changes. When I paste a Python function, Grok instantly gives the TypeScript equivalent and explains what it changed and why. This helps you learn best practices while converting code. AI-powered features are easy now. I just give the prompt, build a Flask AI chatbot that integrates with OpenAI API and stores chat history in Postgres. Grok generates Flask routes, database models, and even example API calls. This saves hours of manual setup. If your code isn't working, don't just guess. Prompt. Find bugs in this JavaScript snippet and explain fixes step by step. For example, I pasted a loop with an off by 1 error, and Grok pointed out the mistake, explained why it fails, and gave a corrected version. This makes debugging educational and quick. This is your turn to use Grok Code Fast 1. I will give prompts in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, Just AI Space for latest AI tools.